Task number 3, exploitation. This task is part of the moniker link CVE vulnerability and is part of the exploitation basics room and cybersecurity 101 pass. For this attack, we will email our victim a moniker link similar to the one provided in the previous task. The objective as an attacker is to craft an email to the victim with a moniker link that bypasses Outlook's protect view, where the victim's client will attempt to load a file from our attacking machine, resulting in the victim's net NTLM v2 hash being captured. But first, let's run through a proof of concept I have created, which is also available on GitHub. So this is the proof of concept. We see here a little code, right? Python code. We see that we use some libraries. We obviously see the author from 2024, right? And here we just can see the variables, right? Email, sender, receiver, passwords, right? We basically send the input in order to capture it. And here we see in the HTML, we have a button, which is with our attacker IP. And let's see, again, we send the subject. Okay, convert the HTML string into bytes and attach it to the message object. Okay, attach that. Okay, so if something happens, just send me error, but if we log in, just give the sender's email and the password. And then here, okay, close the server, give an error if something happens, but if the email is sent, then we print email delivered. The proof of concept takes an attacker and a victim's email. Normally you would need to use your own SMTP server. This has already been provided for you in this room. Requires the password to authenticate. For this room, the password for attacker moniker tryhackme is attacker contains the email content, HTML content, which contains our moniker link as an HTML hyperlink. Then fill in the subject from and to fields in the email. Finally, it sends the email to the mail server. Let's use a responder to create an SMB listener on our attacking machine. For the tryhackme attack, the interface will be interface ENS5. The interface name will differ if you are using your own device. That is, if you use a Kali machine, which if you use a VPN, you probably have a Kali machine, then check out the interface. If you would like some homework, an impacted server can also be used. And here we see responder with interface ENS5. Listening for events. Let's open the vulnerable machine by pressing the pen. All right. Open Outlook by clicking the Outlook shortcut on the desktop. When Outlook was open, click I don't want to sign in or create an account pop up. Okay. Outlook. Let's open that, and you see it's highlighted in yellow. You just click that. Here we have it. Enter an Office product key. Dismiss the second pop-up by clicking the X. Maybe I don't see it. Yeah, it's over here. We don't see that. So you press the X. You will see the Outlook interface. For this room, the victim's email was already been set up in Outlook for you. Yeah, we have it up and ready. Return to your attack box. For this, we create a new file on the attack box. Let's go to downloads. And in here, we'll say vim, and then we get exploit.py. I to insert, and then we go up here to copy the code. Let me see down here. Okay. Good. Now we have to go up here because I have to introduce the comments. Perfect. Now let's see. Sender email, that's good. This is the victim email, that's good. Enter your password, that's all right. Here we have to go for... We will need to do some initial setup on our attack box before running the Python script. Modify the moniker link line 12 in our proof of concept to reflect the IP address of our attack box. And 5. Let's go over there and say over here 10 81 66 158. And then we have to go to replace the mail server on line 31, which is over here. Mail server, this is the email of the vulnerable machine. 1081 153 109. And that's it. Right, and quit, and there we have it. Now open up. We go to the other tab, responder and 5. And that's fine. And now we go back here and we run it. Actually, let me see. Python 3 exploit. Email, attacker email attack. It's attack or attacker, password attacker. Email is delivered. Let me see. Email is delivered. We should see this in our Outlook machine. There you go. We have it over here. And let's see if we click it. We can't find test exploit. Please make sure using your correct location or web address. Right. We can see that in our other machine, we should see some information. Oh yeah, there you go. There you go. Try hack me, moniker link. There we have it. There we have it. What is the name of the application that we use on the attack box to capture the user's hash? Responder. What type of hash is captured? It's NTLM version 2. Let's go. I'll be a bit up. There we have it. Net NTLM v2. And here we can see it.